starving. You and I, it was a way to assimilate. I'm a disseminate every single intention you put in the verse and the word of the flow is the form of definitive adoration. What the fuck do you mean? A beautiful mind, and I am the product of Malcolm and Martin's collaborative dream, perpetual king. So within the time that we live in, I'm giving you lyrics I deem a cynical scene. You niggas are working for cream. I pick up the pen and I scheme. The biggest of critics, the quicker to pick it apart. Defining a man and a pen of the parts. So playing the real and they calling it art. Committed to murder, the verdict is dark. I start by giving you emphasis. Guarantee you remember this. Memorizing the cadence. I penetrate with camaraderie. Constantly contemplating my theories of physiology. Follow me as I estimate. Usually I escalate then execute astutely with the flus. I pray that you never confuse it. Making it for your amusement to realize they're giving ridiculous lines. I'm speaking the truth, presented to you. I said that we keeping it cool. These niggas refusing to lose. I give an opinion and picking a radical view. I choose to be insane and my brain is an algorithm. An astronomical fortress conversing but not conforming. Cause cowards cower for hours. Devoured by this performance. You dormant and I'm euphoric. You give the rhythm and force it. The source and the simultaneous infiltrate with endorphins. My style is highly caloric. The status quo was a flow. I defeated it with tenacity. My vocabulary is at a maximum capacity. General relativity. Revolutionizing the way you understanding gravity. A wrapping of the fabric of space and time. I'm Einstein. Giving the people the formula. The dopest of niggas is warning y'all. I said it, I'm focused. You better believe it. The way that I'm rhyming and barely breathing. I'm minding my business. I'm murder the beat. And the point that I'm working to make is that people debating. I guarantee I'ma create the sickest of sentences you can relate. And I will not do it, they hit it, I'm great. So I never rest in control of my fate. They're telling you everything that you wanted to hear whenever they run in your face. The second you turn, the quicker they burn. And I've been awake cause I already learned. I'm taking my time, perfecting the craft and getting my way to give you the wrath of kind. Is the consequence. All of your lyrics contradict. They lack a certain presence and effervescence of prominence. The K is for the knowledge that I am constantly seeking. The A's are put in the middle as I'm attempting to allocate the N is for the nonsense that the public will entertain. As I explain, my name's an acronym. Lyrical acrobat. It's knowledge above all nonsense. Can you imagine that? I'm moving the hustle and busting my ass while giving the rhythm you live in the past. A part of the pen and the pen of the book. A piece of the pop of the people to eat. We giving a beautiful feast, a literal beast until every thought of the beast. Food for the minds of the foolish. Many a minuscule men trying to suppress what I attest with a pen. When will it end? My lines are actually accurate. Never acting. I put iodine inside my apparatus. I'm extracting the sweetest and the malevolence necessary for relevance. An innovative poet is fixated. His relative sedatives in my system while singing, swinging the razor blades. Had to say that I'm somber, so someone tell me they say that they can synthesize the sound, so it's similar to a symphony orchestrated in paper to strangulate you with vapor. I said that I'm giving you elegance, but never define the elements. I'm telling the story of forming the tale. I'm speaking of isolation while giving you my rendition was ridicule as a child, and my pain I put in the chalice was silence. The flow dyslexic and very mentally challenged, allowing these motherfuckers to degrade me with degrees. But my decree is I conceded I'll probably never be free. I'm afflicted by insecurities, currently contemplating. I've cultivated catastrophes by living alone and being oppressed, but then created a masterpiece. Exactly, I'm actually asking for attrition. Effectively, your submissive deficiencies in your vision. Your mind inside of a prison, prolific whenever spinning, accelerated the rhythm. I've written forming a simile, so my signature resonates. Assembling a pseudonym, reprimanding a saboteur, salivating for sabotage, getting sensitive, sinister, delivering this dope to the pope and the poor minister. Principles of the precipice, people pushing the passion, perplexity of the purpose. So part